Alex, wake up. It's already 6. I'm so tired.
Come on, we're going to New York today.
Oh, I forgot. Today is the day.
Yes, our flight is at 10.
I'm so excited.
Me too. Did you pack everything?
Yes, I packed last night.
Good. I need my toothbrush.
Don't forget your charger.
I have it. And my passport?
It's on the kitchen table.
Your passport is in my bag. I checked 3 times.
That's just like you.
Better safe than sorry.
Okay, let's have a quick breakfast.
Just coffee. We don't have much time.
New York, here we come.
I can't wait.
Alex, the taxi is here.
Wait, I can't find my shoes.
They're by the door.
Not these. I want my comfortable ones.
We don't have time.
Found them. They were under the bed.
Hurry, the driver is waiting.
Good morning. To the airport, please.
No problem. I'll take the fast way.
Alex, do you have the tickets?
Yes, on my phone.
Passport?
Yes, in my jacket.
Wallet?
Of course, I learned my lesson.
We'll be at the airport in 20 minutes.
Wait, did I lock the door?
Yes, you did. I remember.
Don't worry, we'll be on time.
Let's find the check-in desk.
It's over there, Terminal B.
Good morning. Tickets and passports, please.
Here you are.
Flight 714 to New York.
Yes, that's us.
How many bags?
2 suitcases.
Put them on the scale, please.
Are they okay?
Yes, 18 kilos each. Fine. Window or aisle?
Window for me, please.
Aisle for me.
Here are your boarding passes. Gate 22. Boarding at 9:30. Have a nice flight.
Now security. Oh no, the line is so long.
There are many people.
Take off your jacket, belt, and shoes. Put everything in the tray. Ma'am, you have liquids.
Oh, my water bottle. I forgot.
Sorry, you can't take it.
Okay, throw it away.
Sir, step through the scanner.
Am I okay?
Yes, you're clear.
That was stressful, but we did it.
Gate 22. We have 1 hour before boarding.
I'm hungry. We only had coffee.
There's a sandwich shop.
Great. I'll buy 2 sandwiches and water.
I'll watch the bags.
Don't fall asleep.
I'm joking. Go.
How long is the flight?
About 3 hours. We arrive at 1 o'clock.
Alex, look out the window.
Wow, I can see the city. So many tall buildings.
Is that the Empire State Building?
Yes, I think so. It's very tall. Welcome to New York, Sarah.
Welcome to New York, Alex. Let's get our bags. Belt 4.
The belt stopped. Our bags are not here.
Oh no!
Excuse me, our bags didn't arrive.
What's your name?
Alex Johnson, Flight 714.
Don't worry. The bags are still at your old airport. We will send them to your hotel tonight by 9 o'clock.
Oh my God! The buildings are so tall.
And there are so many people. Everyone walks so fast.
We're the slowest because we look up all the time.
It's loud and there are taxis everywhere, but I love it. Look, a hot dog stand.
2 hot dogs, please.
Mustard or ketchup?
Both for me.
Just mustard.
First time in New York?
Yes,
I knew it. You're looking up. Enjoy the city.
we need the blue line, uptown.
This is the A train. Get in.
Wait, this says C train, wrong direction.
Let's get off at the next stop.
Excuse me, which train goes to Times Square?
Take the 1 train. Go upstairs, left, platform 2.
Thank you very much.
Finally, the hotel. My feet hurt.
Hi, we have a reservation. Alex Johnson.
Room 712, 2 nights. Can I see your passport?
Here you are.
Wow, the view is beautiful. So many lights.
I need a hot shower. Sarah, the water is cold.
Ice cold. No hot water.
I'll call the front desk.
Hello? No hot water in room 712.
Sorry, a plumber will come in 20 minutes. We'll send free coffee.
This cafe is nice.
I'm very hungry.
I'll have a burger.
Chicken pasta for me, and hot chocolate, please. I'm still cold. New York cheesecake. We must try it. This is the best burger.
My pasta is delicious too. Excuse me, the check, please.
$52.
Oh no, I left my wallet at the hotel.
Again?
Sorry, you're the best wife in the world.
Don't forget it.